Are you worried of lightning strike? Getting fear of lightning strike on your premises? In India, nearly 19 millions of lightning strike were recorded over 12 months ending in 2021. Over the past decade, at least 1,500 people have died from two lightning strikes. In lightning strike, most animals also died, and this happens every year. A lightning strike is a lightning event in which the electric discharge takes place between the atmosphere and the ground. Most originated in a cumulonimbus cloud and terminated on the ground, called cloud to ground or CG lightning. Last working of early streamer emission lightning arrestor. Don't worry, Prasoon Multi Services had done great job to control the damage from lightning strikes. Prasoon Multi Services brings you lightning protecting system. A lightning protection system offers a low resistance path to lightning strike up to ground, where the enormous energy is then safely dispersed. There are two types of lightning protection system. First, active or ESE lightning protection system having protection radius 107 meter. Second, passive or conventional lightning protection system having protection radius 10 meter. To understand the difference between active and passive protection, we should understand the previous lightning strike formation process. When it's produced an electrical storm, it's generated mostly in the bottom of the cloud an electric field with negative charge. At the same time, it appears a positive charge on the ground below the storm. When electrostatic field is less than 8 kV per meter, air is an insulator, but when it is equal to or greater, can generate an electric arc called lightning. What is conventional or passive rod system? Simple rods or Franklin rods don't perform a special action during thunderstorm. The protection of these rods is based on its position, morphology, materials, and physical reaction that is performed due to the electrostatic field. The positive charge rises from the ground through the grounding system to the tip of the lightning rod, which when being placed in a dominant height connecting ground to the tip of the lightning rod, which it is placed in a dominant height, becomes in a favorable point to the lightning strike in other part of the installation. The air terminals can reinforce the protection by a mesh. The mesh is a grounded metal network covering the entire building. When lightning strikes on it, the current discharge is distributed throughout the network, reducing the damages that it can cause to the facilities. What is an ESE or active lightning rod system? An ESE lightning rod with an early streamer emission system has a target anticipate it to the lightning strike. In order protect all the rest of the area, the operating principle is same as the simple rod. An additional ionization system getting cover a greater protection radius creates an upward leader further away to the extra ionization of the ESE lightning rod, which is activated by the electromagnetic field produced by the storm. The ESE attracts the lightning to its tip. Then the down conductors conduct the current discharge to the grounding system, getting cover a greater protection radius. This ionization allows to the active protection to have a greater protection radius. With this methodology, we managed to cover not only the structure but also its surrounding or open areas. Advantage of ESE or active lightning rod system. The difference between these systems is the activity carried out during the storm. As explained in the above points, the main and important difference is the protection radius of each external lightning protection. These differences allow us to specify its advantages. First, the active system has a bigger protection radius. It can be more than twice the protection radius of a simple lightning rod depending on the models. Second, The active protection system is the most inexpensive. In cases where it is necessary to cover a huge area, may be more expensive to install a large number of Franklin rods installation than only one ESC. Third, reduced visual impact. Needing fewer elements, aesthetics of the structure or protected area will be less affected. Fourth, active protection not only protects the structure, also protects surrounding and open area. We are also dealing in earthing strips, earthing chamber covers, electrical geysers, power savers, air coolers, and so on.